we are going to cook one mix of vegetable and also some seed. Okay, I will tell you what exactly and what is the seed exactly. Today is raining, they are playing in the rain also. Okay, see, this is the one. Actually, this one the Tamil same like Tamil mochapayar, like that they will tell, but sometimes this is black, but I'm not sure why it is like this. But this is in Tamil they used to tell tattambayru. Tattambayru is, we have like a brownish color like that only, but we will mix with tomato everything. Here they will mix with something like the udang. What is udang?
Prawns.
Prawn.
Shrimp, sorry.
Murungai இதெல்லாம் சேர்த்து பண்ணுவாங்க அது எப்படின்னு தெரியல. So we will see how they are cooking. See the seed. It is more we have. A little bit if you put this one also, it will come out. The result it will come out very huge amount. So we will put this one like this and then mix with murungai, some other vegetable like that. We will show you. And also the udang shrimp. Seed is almost cooked first because the seed it will take time too much. I will show you. See.
Balatong. Ay, utong.
I tell you right, I prawns, shrimp prawns, also we used to call, okay, small prawns. It one river la pidichadu, so they catch it in river only. Idu vandu inga pakkathula ulla veeta auntie Doring only give for us, and I have to thank for Auntie Doring. Cardo. She only give me and thanks for her giving this one. Okay,
thank you auntie, you tell.
Thank you auntie. See, first come close. The prawn oda head first remove பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கடுத்து நல்லா வாஷ் பண்ணிட்டு இந்த seed, I told you right, the seed they will mix it in the seed and they will cook. It's easily cook. Come close, I will show you a lot everything. See, this one is with the claws, right? So everything is small one only. You can smell it. See, very big one. This one is. You should be very careful. If you eat with this, you should be very careful. But when you clean and eat, it's okay, no problem. See, small one. You take the hand. So
that check the small one.
See,
small variety, any shapes.
And see, this one is big with the claws, and then this one also big one. Small also we have. See, small one. See. I told you right, the green also is and tattambayru like same like a small seed we have cooked with murungai na ilakanola murungai like they tell it, and also the black seed, and that one also they mix, and the prawn shrimp, small prawns only, the Auntie Doring. You thank you auntie again, and I will show you first what I see. See, it looks very nice, and some little bit soup also have. See here. See, first I will keep the spoon this one here. Okay. See, come close. I want to show this. So this is the small prawns. I told you right. This one. See, the soup also have, because this one is the black seed. So when you put the water, it will like this. Some bagun also you will add, right? It is salty sauce. Here bagun is the main ingredients they used to add in all the dishes. எல்லா டிஷ்லையும் எல்லாமே சேர்ப்பாங்க. பாருங்க, முருங்கை ரொம்ப யங் ஆனது, ரொம்ப சின்ன முருங்கை. Okay, this one also you can eat the whole thing, it won't do anything. Okay, the hard thing only you can't eat. Now I will mix with the rice. Now I will just so she also take some. See, come close. I will take one shrimp along with the murungai. And the seed I like too much. Tatambe, Tamil சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay. கொஞ்சம் இந்த சூப்பை எடுத்து ரைஸில் கொஞ்சம் போட்டு இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் எடுத்து போட்டு ஓகே. See, murungai, young one. Very tasty. Young இருக்கிறது வந்து ரொம்ப tasty, more tastier rather than the hard one. Okay, now I will mix this one, and also I will put some more seed. This shrimp also. The head already removed. நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லிட்டேன்னா head remove பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. So you can eat the whole thing. The seed is very tasty. It's already now almost cooked, same like a soft one, and also the shrimp, that also very tasty. The meat, the shrimp flavor is giving the extra taste to the seed. Very tasty. And it's a healthy one also. This one is tatambe, Tamil solvanga. So very healthy taste. Okay, one more, last one spoon. I mean one more hand. Very tasty. See? Okay guys, I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please share and comment, and also the person who haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and also watch and support our YouTube Twohungry Travelers.
You need to say thank you.
And thank you, Doring Auntie.
No, the one. Okay, the one who subscribed.
And the person who have subscribed also. She always, my wife will remind that one. Yes, I forget something. So this is the thing. I don't have something. I don't remember also. So sorry for that one. And thank you for remembering, Roshi. Thank you again. And we'll see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye.